Hello everyone, today I'm back with another unboxing video. This is actually a package I received in the Robotchat secret swap. So I'm going to be carefully opening this up. If it looks like I'm holding the knife weird, it is because I sprained my finger, so sorry about that if I have any issues getting this box open. Alright, now let's see what we've received. Oh, what's this? Awesome. I got a little letter which I'll be pinning up on the wall. Obviously, the most beautiful thing ever. Oh my gosh. I actually did get a bow tie. I said that I would like a bow tie for one of my dogs, and then a little skull and crossbones. See, a little bow tie and then a regular tie. Those are both amazing. That is awesome. I'll probably put this one onto one of my 111s, and then this is definitely going on Yasu for sure. That is awesome. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. And then there's also little sketches on the side of the box, which I'll probably cut those out and pin that up on the wall too, because I have a bit of a collection of like letters and stuff from other people. So that is awesome. This thing is just flat out hilarious looking. That's cool. Thank you so much. This is gonna look really awesome on my eyebows, and then this thing I'll probably put up with the rest of my little stuffed animals around like my Furbies and stuff. Thank you so much. Anyways, thanks for watching this little video.